Eh? Is that what I will eat? Where is your husband? What?
What is the problem? What is going on?
My money.
Your money?
Yes.
Sunday, why are you sounding as though we're quarreling? What is it?
We're quarreling, no. Oh, you don't even know that we're quarreling. Please, give me my money. No, no, go now. How much is that?
It's 1,000 naira. It's not complete. Please.
See, let me tell you. I am not going to take this thing from you. I am not going to take this thing from you. You better make sure you give me back my money. Oh, wait. Let me even ask you. Is it a crime that I took your wife to that hospital that night?
Sunday, it is not a crime. Please, it is not a crime. But I don't like the manner with which you're going about this issue. I don't like it.
Oh. Now it's not an issue. Hey! Now my money. Egom, I need my money now. Oh, you don't want to give me my money again? You don't want to balance me my money? Oh, you think that this 1,000 naira is my money? Let me even ask you. Is it by selling corn and roasted pear that you used to feed yourself? No wonder the caterer can always come here to disturb you.
Hey, Sunday, don't insult me. Don't insult me because of 1,500 naira.
If I insult you, what will you do? Eh? If I insult you now, what will you do? Look at yourself. You cannot even feed yourself. You are saying because of 1,500 naira. Do you know what is 1,500 naira? Eh? You just sit with your, both of you will just sit here, roast corn and roast beer, and you think you can use that one to pay house rent. And you are telling me to calm down. See, let me tell you. Why would I even insult you? Why would I insult both of you? That you sit down here, you roast corn, you roast beer. Will you use that kind of money to pay your house rent? Will you use corn and beer to pay your house rent in this compound? You said I should not insult you. Let me tell you, if I don't get that money today, my remaining 500 naira, I will make sure that this house get up for both of us. What is it now? Look at all that, you can't even feed your child. You can't even feed him. If you don't give me that 500 naira, I'm not going to live here. Cool down, let me go and buy good food now. Very good food now. See, let me tell you, if you don't give me, in fact, I need my money, my guy.
Sunday, what is this now?
Don't. Hey, don't call my name. Give me my money, my guy. Now I'm going to forget about. Give me my money.
Sunday.
Give me my money now.
Sunday.
What is it?
Sunday.
Huh? Ojuku. Oh, one benta. Give me my money. Nah, Emma, don't give me my money.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man propose, God dispose. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No.
Adana, you're back. What? Where is the bag of corn you bought? What happened? Why? Talk to me. What happened? Why are you crying?
Our boss was robbed.
What?
On my way to the market.
Your boss was robbed.
They took everything. They took all the money and my phone.
God, why? Why? How could you allow this happen? How? All the money we ever worked for vanish into thin air just like that. God, why? Why?
Listen, I've decided that we go back.
Go back where?
Home. To our land. We cannot continue to live like this.
How do you think your father will accept you back? How?
I don't know. But I'd rather die in my father's land than in this place.
My lord, I appreciate your love for me, okay? I appreciate your love for me, sincerely. I mean, how you've been here suffering with me all along, not minding your status in the society. But please, I beg you, let's not go back now, not yet.
We have every reason to go back.
I'm afraid I can't face your father. I can't even face my own father. My love, please. Let's not talk about this now, please. Look, don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Tomorrow morning, in fact, tomorrow I'll go and look for anyone. In fact, look for any of my friends to borrow money so that you can start up your corn business again, please. I beg you.
Adanna. Hi.
Greetings, my queen.
What do you want?
My queen, the Igwe sent me to you. The princess is back.
Is that a joke or what?
No, my queen, it's not a joke. She's back.
Adanna, my daughter. What have you done to yourself?
I'm sorry.
Whose child is this?
Mother, please, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Mother.
At last, it is true that you are loved with my daughter.
Your Highness, please, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive us, Your Highness, please.
So you impregnated my daughter. You must pay dearly for what you have caused this royal family. Guards!
Father, please. Please. We're sorry. I'm sorry. It's not even his fault. It was never his fault. It was all my idea. I am the one that suggested that we elope at the time we did.
Hey, Adanna, how? Adanna, you of all people.
Sorry.
He will pay for the embarrassment he has given our kingdom.
Please. Please forgive me. Please. Forgive me and accept me back as your daughter. My son here is the product of our union.
You will pay dearly for the disgrace you made to my royal family and the entire Yoruba kingdom.
Highness, please. Please, my queen.
Begging for us, please. He listen to you.
Your Highness, I take the full responsibility of everything. Please forgive us.
No. No! I won't take it from you. You must bear the consequences.
Adana, you are a bunch of disgrace. Where have we gone wrong? How have we offended you?
You have had your way, right? Would you trade Eko to your tattered beds? Think you've liberated yourself into your royalty, right?
Kenga, sit down.
Son, calm down and take a seat.
Don't tell me to calm down. Let her leave immediately.
Just sit, please.
Listen to me, son. She said that child is yours.
We had an agreement. And that agreement was for her to abort the pregnancy.
I did not. Yes.
I know her so well. I know Ulamar very well. She can cook up stories to suit her claim. I mean, after how long? She's coming now to tell us this and you believe her? No, this is not true. No, this is not true.
Now Ulamar said the truth. I want nothing but the truth.
My queen, I am not lying to you. I swear. Odinaka Chukwu here is the product of the pregnancy. No, I did not abort it.
That is not true.
Father. So, what is the motive of you coming here? When I have already told you not to step your legs into this compound. Why are you here?
With all due respect, Your Highness, I brought my child here for the family to know about him and to let Ikenga know that he must marry me. Yes, he must.
That is not possible because this child is not my child. Now get up and get out of this place. This child is not my child, it's not my son, and you cannot put that responsibility on me.
My dear, if she claims that that baby is yours, that does not mean that she is going to force you to marry her.
Yes.
Young lady.
Yes, Your Highness.
I want you to go back to your home with that child. Come back tomorrow. We are going for DNA test.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Highness. That settles it all.
Father, I'm not going anywhere.
What?
I am not going to be part of any test.
Ikenga, just calm down. We will follow this matter the way it will not bring shame to our family. Relax.
No one knows what tomorrow holds.
My brother, congratulations. You didn't tell me your ex-girlfriend is back. And I heard she came back with a male child. You're not talking? Is anything the matter?
All I do. Please. I want to be left alone.
Left alone, you said? See, I should be happy if I were you. Anyways, you are now a father. Please tell her I'll be her chief breastmaid.
Everything is just falling apart. I want you to understand, Father. I am not interested. Like I earlier said, I don't have a hand in the so-called test. I don't know anything about it. I wasn't part of it.
Ikenga, you have no reason not to have interest. Because it has been confirmed that that boy is your son. And so you must marry his mother. Don't forget that she was once your girlfriend.
Father, I've said that before, but he wouldn't listen. Ikenga, please listen to your father.
Mother, I cannot. I will not. I will not. Okay, now tell me. What if Adana comes back tomorrow? What am I going to tell her? I mean, what will I explain to her? What will I tell her happened?
Oh my goodness. He's still talking about Adana. Who told you that you will see her again?
What do you mean by that? I knew it. I knew Olaido has skeleton in her cupboard. She knows the whereabouts of Adana. And that's why she's saying this. She knows the whereabouts of her. Where is she?
I came because you told me the baby's milk has finished. Don't worry, my parents are doing everything possible to bring you back.
My princess, words are not enough to thank you for all the things you have been doing for me. At times I keep asking myself why you are taking all this risk for me. I really appreciate it.
Okay, no problem. I might not be visiting again until final arrangement is made to bring you back. You know we have to be very careful now everything is coming to an end.
Yes, I know. Thank you, my princess. Thank you.
So you planned all this? You planned all this? You know, I started suspecting you after you made that last comment concerning Adana. And that is why I followed you. That is why I followed you to this place. Now I see why you have been stealing father's money. So this is where you hid her all this while? Huh? This is where you hid her. You go inside. Go inside, pack your things. We're all living here now. Father is going to hear everything. The whole truth. You people are going to say it. There. Go inside and let's go. Now.
Ikenga, I have endured a lot because of you.
Will you just shut up? Just shoot them up. Go inside, carry your bastard child, and let's leave here now. We're all leaving. Go inside. Go inside. So you planned all this? You planned all this. You've not seen anything. Bring that baby. Come on, let's go.
Leave it alone.
Young lady, can I get the truth from you now?
Your Highness, I have not been seeing Ini. She didn't know I was staying there until lately.
Ulamar. Do you want to speak the truth or not?
You can't leave him.
Better stay out of this.
Stay out of this before I vent my anger on you.
You listen to me. Are you ready to speak the truth and nothing but the truth? Because if you don't, I'm going to kill you right here. And I'm ready to go in for anything that comes. So are you ready to say the truth and nothing but the truth?
Okay. Your Highness, I'll say the truth. Yes.
Good. So go on.
Your Highness.
Yes, go on.
I lied to you. Yes, I lied to you. Ini Edo was the one who asked me not to abort the baby.
Father, did you hear that?
She promised to take care of me until I put to bed. She assured me that Ikenga must not marry the princess but me. She was the one who rented the apartment for me, and she has been the one taking care of me all this while.
What?
Hey! Ini Edo. So you were the enemy here? Ini Edo, how could you? How could you betray us? Ini Edo.
I am totally disappointed.
Yes, Father. Go ahead and blame me. I did it to avenge what all of you did to me. You gave up my right to a stranger and you all expected me to be happy? I'm angry with all of you. I'm very, very angry. And I will do it again.
You just shut up or you're going to pay for everything.
Come to me if you think you are mad and I will deal with you. Ini Edo,
Be careful.
dare you. Ini Edo, dare you. Stop. Mother, please.
Be careful. Move.
See, let me tell you. You will never marry Adana and you will never set your eyes on her again.
Did you hear that, Mother?
Ini Edo.
Father, did you hear what she just said?
Please, somebody did you hear?
You said this is the second time she's making the statement.
This is the second time she's making this same statement.
And I will repeat it again and again.
That is to prove that she knows the whereabouts of Adana.
I will repeat it again. You came down.
You have to accept what your father said for the sake of the child.
Oh, that decision is too easy to accept. It is. Ulamar just played on our intelligence. That's what she did.
Yes, but she's not to be blamed. Ini Edo is the architect of the whole problem here. But we have to accept it as the will of God.
Mom, it is not the will of God. We should stop blaming God for everything. All I do is the architect of this thing and she should be dealt with just the way she did. Don't be blaming God for everything. Everything God, the will of God, the will of God. We have to disturb him all the time.
You don't have a choice.
But we don't have to blame God.
You don't have a choice.
I just called Igwe Arono, my friend, to tell him about the latest development. And
you did what?
Please allow me to land. Let me finish my story. As I was speaking to him, he did not allow me to finish what I wanted to tell him, or why I called him. Before he came up that his daughter is back with
Adana.
Yes.
Adana, please. My Adana is back.
Please, can you just give me a break and let me finish my story?
Father, you don't have any other story to say than to tell me that Adana is back. That's what I want to hear.
That's what I want to hear. Come here. He needs to listen to what I have to
Mother, is it true that Adana is back?
Yes. Adana is back.
Mano Ojukwu Imararu. Imararu Ojukwu.
When has love become an abomination in this land?
There are many beautiful girls in this community. Why the princess?
Papa, it's the princess I love. I love the princess and she loves me too. Papa, she loves me enough to elope with me rather than that so-called Prince Ikenga.
Ifrem Meg, because of this act, I was stripped of my position as the Olowo of this community.
Papa, I have apologized to you. I've pleaded with you over that. Papa, see, don't worry. The Igwe is surely going to call you back as you know of this land.
That is to say we'll go to the palace. The Igwe must know that I was never part of this arrangement.
Okay. But, Papa, please, help me beg the Igwe when we get to the palace. Tell him to, if you allow me to marry the princess, please.
You are planning for another thing. Why you've not come out of the one you committed already? Huh? Kaijent. Let's go now.
But once you find it, it never goes. Even if trouble comes, in times of hardship, it's there to fight till it conquers. So hold on to it, never let go.
Adana, where have you been? I heard you're back, so I decided to stop by.
Yes, I'm back.
And what happened to you? You totally changed.
It's a long story.
Long story. And what son is this?
Yes.
Who?
Ojukwu.
He got you pregnant? You got her pregnant? Huh? How dare you? How dare you?
Ikenga, stop it.
Huh?
Please, Ikenga.
How dare you get her pregnant? Do you know how much my father has put on her to become who she is today? Do you know?
Ikenga,
Stop it. Stop it. Put your father back. We'll repay you all that we have taken, all right?
Adana! Who threw that statement? Adana, please. This animal, did he bewitch you? No, Adana, did he?
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't. What's the meaning of this?
You can't run away from your responsibility. Here is your wife and your son.
But... Your wife? And your son?
But Igudenta did not tell me Ikenga has a son.
He didn't tell you because his son is shying away from his responsibility.
Will you just shut up? Please shut up!
You can slap me for all I care, but you can't deny that he is your son. Now I have had my pound of flesh.
Your son?
Yes.
His son?
Yes, his son. Your son.
Right. Right. Okay, so it's settled then. Father, it's settled. Yeah,
What is settled?
It is settled, Father. Please.
Your Highness.
What is settled?
Your Highness.
Please, let's Ojukwu and I be married. Mother, please, I thank you.
Please. Your Highness, please. Please. Pardon her and grant her her desire.
Yes, please.
Please, Father. What nonsense is this?
Your Highness. Nela.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. May our gods bless this union.
He said,
may our ancestors bless this union.
Amen.